It means guessing, rounding the number to its nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. इससे पहले पीरियड में हम लोगों ने इसके बारे में कुछ सीखा था कि हम लोग किस तरह से नंबर को राउंडिंग करते हैं, नियरेस्ट 10 में, नियरेस्ट 100 में, नियरेस्ट 1000 में। ठीक है, फिर कैसे एस्टिमेट करते हैं एडिंग में, कैसे एस्टिमेट करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन में। आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि ये एस्टिमेशन प्रोडक्ट में कैसे होगा। ओके, सो आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज एस्टिमेटिंग द प्रोडक्ट। हम लोग एस्टिमेट करेंगे, किसको एस्टिमेट करेंगे? प्रोडक्ट को। आज हम लोग प्रोडक्ट को एस्टिमेट करेंगे। ओके, नाउ ओपन योर नोटबुक एंड स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक। फर्स्ट सम, estimate the product. Estimate the product. Hello, right? Estimate the product. Estimate the product. ESTIMATE, estimate the product. Estimate, do you know? Guess. Okay, a rounding figure of the number. Estimate the product of 42 and 58. Suppose that this is our first problem. Estimate the product of 42 and 58. Okay, can you say this sum? Estimate the product of 42 and 58. Do you know the product? Multiplicand, multiplier, then product. Okay, mind the word product also. Do you know its meaning? PRODUCT, product. What? Product comes from multiplicand and multiplier. Multiplicand and multiplier. Multiplicand and multiplier. Multiplicand and multiplier. Suppose that you are writing 2 multiply 4 equal to 8. Student, 2 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier and 8 is product. हेलो, सुन रहे हैं ना आप? पहले का कुछ बात हमें याद करना चाहिए जब हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे। मल्टीप्लिकेंड क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लायर क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट कैसा होता है, क्योंकि इसने लिखा है एस्टिमेट द प्रोडक्ट। प्रोडक्ट लाओ और उसको एस्टिमेट करो। इसने बोला, किसने बोला? सम ने बोला ना। सम ने बोला एस्टिमेट करो और प्रोडक्ट लाओ, प्रोडक्ट लाकर एस्टिमेट करो। ठीक है जी, तो हम लोग एस्टिमेशन का प्रोडक्ट देख रहे हैं बच्चों। प्रोडक्ट मीन्स, ओके, आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग द मल्टीप्लिकेंड ऑफ इट्स मल्टीप्लायर we will get the number that is called product. Now you have the sum, estimate the product of 42 and 58. How we can estimate? Okay, you know better. Come in answering. 42 estimated. 42 estimated the nearest 10. Okay, We are taking first of all the nearest 10. Mind it. 42 estimated to the nearest 10. 42 estimated to the nearest 10. Okay, are you thinking? 42 estimated to the nearest 10. How? Okay, have you learned your first class concept? Okay, you want to round this number to its nearest 10. So check ones place digit. Okay, ones place digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. Okay, so we will replace this digit by 0. Okay, and keeping the remaining digit same. In this way, we can estimate, okay, we can round 42 to its nearest 10 is 40. Okay, so we will write here 42 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 40. Very good. 42 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 40. Student, similarly, second number 58. Okay. 58 estimated. 58 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to. Are you thinking about 58? Here digit at the ones place is 8. 8 is larger than 5. So we will replace the ones digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. So this number will be estimated 60. Okay. Now take down here 58 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 60. Understood? Understood, student? Hence, according to your concept, that is hence the required estimation. The required estimation. The required estimation equal to 40 multiply 60. 40 multiply 60 equal to, okay student, 4 6 are 24 and 20 here. Do you know multiply? Okay, that is the estimation of the product. Okay, this is called estimation of the product. Okay, clear student? Estimate the product of 42 and 58. Here 42 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 40. 58 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 60. Hence the required estimation equal to 40 multiply 60. Now you will multiply these two numbers. Get the product. That is called estimate the product. Okay. Understood? In nearest 10. Okay, estimate the product in nearest 10. Have you written, everyone? They all are very good student. Sohanji in class 6. All are very, very intelligent student. Now second sum student, we should write. I have taken the sum in my hand from the book. Estimate the product of estimate the product of 34 and 75. Estimate the product of 34 and 75. आंधी आ गया. Hello, estimate the product of 34 and 75. Okay, according to our first sum, we can do this. Then start, everyone, start and try to do. Hello. Student, 34 estimated. 34 estimated. Take down 34 estimated. Okay, take down everyone. 34 estimated to the nearest 10. is 10 equal to 30. Right है? Right है ना? 34 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 30. Similarly, 75 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to. Now think about 75. Once digit is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we will replace this one's digit by 0 and keeping the tens digit increased by 1. So 75 estimated to the nearest 10 equal to 80. Okay, 75 is estimated. 75 is estimated to the nearest 10 is 80. Now we need the product. We need the product. So the required estimation. So that the required estimation so the required estimation 30 multiply 80 equal to. So the required estimation 30 multiply 80 equal to 3 8 is 24 and double 0 2400. Okay, estimate the product of 34 and 75. These two number having 2 digits. Okay, 34 and 75. Don't multiply first 34 multiply 75. First round these two number according to given indication. सबसे पहले हम इन दोनों नंबर को राउंड कर लेंगे. क्या कर लेंगे? राउंड कर लेंगे. कैसे? 34 estimated to the nearest 10 is 30. 75 estimated to the nearest 10, 80. The required estimation equal to 30 multiply 80 equal to 2400. Okay. Now third sum, student. Sum number 3 now. Estimated the product of, take down the question, estimate the product of, estimate the product of 367 multiplied 231 by rounding of each number, by rounding of each number to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. Estimate the product of 367 multiplied 231 by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. Okay, mind now, to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100 now. First and second sum related to the nearest 10, and this sum related to the nearest 100. Okay, but quotation will be same. Now student, first this multiplicand 367. What? 367 estimated. Take down estimated. 367 estimated to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. 367 estimated to the nearest 100 equal to, check here, 367 estimated to the nearest 100 equal to, how we can estimate the number to the nearest 100? Think, number is 367 and your requirement is round the number to its nearest 100. So we will check the tens digit, okay? Ones, then tens. Mind the previous class. Here student, tens digit is 6, which is larger than 5, okay? So we will replace ones and tens by 0, okay, and keep the 100 digit increased by 1. Understood? Okay, listen once again. You want to round 367 to its nearest 100. So you will go to the digit at tens place. The digit at tens place is 6, which is larger than 5. The digit either 5 or larger than 5. We will replace the tens and ones by 0. Okay, and keeping the remaining digit same. But if tens digit is either 5 or larger than 5, then we will replace these two digits by 0 and keeping the 100 digit increased by 1. ध्यान से सुनिए, टेंस 5 से छोटा होने पर, टेंस डिजिट 5 से छोटा होने पर वंस और टेंस को 0 में रिप्लेस कर देते हैं और 100 डिजिट और बाकी डिजिट को सेम रखते हैं। टेंस डिजिट 5 या 5 से बड़ा हो जाता है तो वंस और टेंस को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं 0 में और 100 डिजिट को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं, इंक्रीज्ड बाय 1. Okay, in this way, we can write here 367 estimated to the nearest 100 is 400. Because one sentence replaced by 0 here and keeping the 100 digit increased by 1. Understanding, student? आप सभी समझ रहे हैं ना? जुम्मी फातिमा भी है इसमें। देखो भाई, जुम्मी फातिमा नहीं है तो कौन कौन सब है, थोड़ा दिखाइए। है हेलो तुलसी, आप समझते हो ना, कमलपुर से। श्यामा भी शायद कमलपुर में ही है, दूसरा कमलपुर में ना। ओहो, दोनों कमलपुर, दैट इज कॉल्ड कमलपुर स्क्वायर। अब यहां देखिए 367 एस्टिमेटेड, द नियरेस्ट 100 इक्वल टू 400, नो प्रॉब्लम। नाउ स्टूडेंट 231 estimated 231 estimated to the nearest 100, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 100. Okay, now 231. Tulsi, tens digit is 3, which is less than 5. So we will replace ones and tens by 0 and keeping the 100 digit same. Okay, not increase. So we will write here 200. 231 estimated to the nearest 100 is 200. Okay, understood? Now you need the required estimation so that the required estimation required estimation, what? 400 multiply 200, 400 multiply 200 equal to 4 2 जा 9. रोहिणी, ओ 4 2 जा 8. रोहिणी बहुत हेल्प करती है। 4 2 जा 8, 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 0. So our product, our estimated product 80,000. Okay, are we right, student? Are we right? Mind the question, estimate the product of 367 multiplied 231 by rounding off each number to the nearest 100.
600 बोली, फिर बोली 800, फिर बोली ना 8000.
Okay. Question number 4 now. Take down sum number 4. Estimate the product of estimate the product of 183 multiply 153 by rounding up the first number upwards and the second number downwards. Okay, बारिश है. Estimate the product of 183 and multiply 153 by rounding up the first number upwards and the second number downwards. Oh, and the second number downwards. Estimate the product of 183 multiply 153 by rounding off the first number upwards and the second number downwards. Now think about these two words, downwards and upwards. Upwards बढ़ाना है, downward नीचे गिराना है ना? अपवर्ड ऊपर के तरफ, डाउनवर्ड नीचे के तरफ. Okay, now we should start the answering. Estimate the product of these two numbers. Now student, 183 estimated 183 estimated 183 estimated upward first number upward by rounding up the first number upward. Okay, in nearest 100 because there are 3 digits here, ones, tens and 100. So 183 estimated upward. Upward. 183 estimated upward. How you can estimate its nearest 100? You should think tens digit is 8, which is larger than 5. So we will replace one sentence by 0 and increase the 100 digit by 1. Now estimated upward, that will be 200. 183 estimated upward, that will be 200. Now student, 153 estimated downward. Okay, according to estimation, its tens digit is 5. So we should replace one sentence by 0 and increase the 100 by 1. But the sum is asking estimate the second number downward. हमें नीचे की ओर जाना है, ना कि ऊपर जाना है. Okay, so here we should reduce the rule of rounding, and 153 estimated downwards. We should write here only 100. Understood? Because the question is asking estimate the second number downward, not upward. According to estimation, we should write this number 200, but statement given here, go downward. Go downward. From here, we should mind these two words, upward and downward. Okay, so 153 estimated downward is 100. Now, student, now you should write the required estimation. The required estimation 200 multiply 100 equal to 2 1 2 and 4 0 20,000. Okay, छोड़ दें. Okay. Students, due to weather condition, homework लिखा दें या छोड़ दें? Homework लिखा देते हैं ना? Okay. Now, student, write the homework.
Yes, sir.
Weather is not favoring us. Hello, HW. First question. Estimate the following product. Estimate the following product. Estimate the following product by rounding off to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. Question A, 42 multiply 75. B, 64 multiply 58. C, 15 multiply 34. And D, 28 multiply 63. Question number 2. Estimate the following product. Estimate the following product. Estimate the following product by rounding up each number to the nearest 100. To to the nearest 100. First question, 376 multiply 123, 509 multiply 179, 392 multiply 138, 271 multiply 339. E 423 multiply 158. Question number 3. Estimate the following product by rounding off. By rounding off, estimate the following product by rounding off the first number downwards, the first number downward, the first number downwards, and the second number upwards. Estimate the following product by rounding off the first number downwards and the second number upwards. Question A. 356 multiply 278. Question B. 472 multiply 76. C. 578 multiply 369. And D. 251 multiply 389. These are your homeworks. 356 multiply 278. B. 472 multiply 76. C. 578 multiply 369. D. 251 multiply 389. Okay. Have you written, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should try to complete your homeworks. Have you developed a new notebook for this session? Okay, mention everything there because I will check your classwork and homework after opening the school. Okay? Okay, thank you. Save yourself always. You should take bath timely. Okay, go to your bed timely also. Then you should do your work timely. Okay? Thank you. All the best.